What's going on, everybody? I got another unboxing video for you. Again, this is the second one for today. Got to notice that Mr. UPS, or excuse me, not Mr. UPS, but Mr. Prime, Amazon Prime Delivery dropped off another package. So let's see what we got here today. What do we have in this box? Let's see. Okay, what is that? Anything else? No, nothing else. That's it. Looks like a Braveheart edition selfie stick. Okay, because if you tune into my other video, you see I got the DJI Osmo 360 right here. And it actually does come with a DJI selfie stick, but this one is supposedly a little bit better. It's a little bit thicker. So my stick is thicker. So we shall see. Supposedly can help out against the vibration or the movement of the. What the heck are those? Oh, got some little accessories in there. Let's see what that is. A drop. Okay. Came with the little let me just tear it open here. Okay. And okay. That's how we're going to attach the camera, obviously. I don't know if I'm going to use that. We're going to see. Comes with a nice velour bag. That's nice. Look at that. I'm getting fancy with it. Okay. Open that up. Ooh, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Comes with a nice lanyard. And it is a thicker stick. I don't know. We'll see. Is it a waste of money? I don't know. Let's get the other one and find out. I'm going to take the other one off my bike. Give me 1 second here. Well, it seems to be about the same thickness. Let me totally take this off. Yeah, pretty much about the same thickness in my hand, but this one is longer. So take your choice. You want it short or long? I don't know. That's up to you. I guess that's a personal choice. So this is, it will extend up to, it's 9 sections, extends up to 300 centimeters. So that's, it goes from 110 to 174 to 239, and then to 300 centimeters. So what is centimeters to feet? Let's find out. Hey Siri, 300 centimeters to feet. That would be 9.84 feet. So 9.84 feet. So it's almost 10 feet long. Okay, I guess that's cool. I guess, I don't know. We'll see. Now, supposedly, one of the advantages of having a really super long stick, one of the advantages of having a super long stick, okay. One of the advantages of having a super long stick on a motorcycle with the 360 camera is that it becomes, when it's so long, it becomes invisible. So it extends out so far and so long that the stick actually disappears while it's on the vehicle. I don't know. We're gonna find out. You know, it does seem to be. It will give me more area, surface area to be able to clamp down to it when I get my other clamp in. Because I plan on putting 2 clamps on my bike before I mount it, because I want to make sure I have, instead of just having 1 clamp on it with this right here, you know, at the bottom, I want to have another clamp on it right here that's going to attach to the bike. I don't have it yet. I still need to order it. So, and the reason why is because I don't want it to bounce around. I don't want it to, if it's just one, when the bike is in motion, it's going to bounce it around when it's extended. And with this one, at least it's going to, if I have 2 clamps on it, it's going to hold it and stop it from moving as much. Like I said, this is all new territory to me. I don't know anything about this. I'm just getting into this. So I've been asking a few questions from people that actually have these. Some people have gone through multiple different systems to make sure that they have a nice rigid stick, selfie stick on their bike, motorcycle. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I have to still order the other stick and the other clamp, I should say. So moving on to this, guess what? I got another box right here. Let's open this one up and see what this is. Okay. Let's get rid of this box. A lot of boxes around here today. What do we have here? The DJI Mic 3. Okay. Little Bluetooth mic for the DJI cameras. So I'm actually filming this on the DJI Action 5 Pro, and like I say, today I just got in the DJI Osmo 360. So the mic will automatically sync up to both for this one and to this one automatically. So that's one of the advantages of it. One of these has 2 little mics on it. One of them will go inside of my helmet, so I will be able to take the wired mic off, and the other mic can go, you know, wherever I need it to go. I can put it inside the bike. I can just, you know, leave it inside here if I choose to. It also comes with another battery. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay. Right. I said, you know what? I'm already committed to the DJI system, so I might as well go all the way. And are there some other wireless mics out there? Yeah, but you know, hey, I guess I'm a DJI fanboy now, just like I'm an Apple fanboy. So let's just see. Okay. Comes with a nice little carrying case. Probably, I wonder if this is waterproof. Wouldn't surprise me if it's at least water resistant or so. I don't know about the zipper. Got the little tag on it. Okay. Let's just pull everything out. You know what we do with these. All right. Look at this. Yeah, I believe this should be water resistant. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, look at that. Let's open this up. I really should get some type of surface right here instead of the wood bench. Make it look better. Okay, get that. Ooh, look at that. Nice. This looks really professional, doesn't it? Ooh, look at that. Really professional looking. Am I a pro now? Am I a pro now? Am I a pro now? I don't know. I'm a pro now, but not a pro. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, look at that. Nice little tickly things. Look at that. I don't know. These are little, I don't know exactly what they're called, but you put those on the mic to stop the wind noise from stop it from making noise or whatever. So this is neat right here. Look at this. There's little magnetic clips. That way, let's say for instance, this is a shirt. You put the little, well, you can clamp it on like this and connect it like that if it's on your shirt, or if you don't want to use the little clip, you can use a little magnet. See the little magnet right here? So I can get it open here. Let's see. Take that out. You put the magnet under your shirt, and this clips onto it just like that. So it'll, look at that. If you have a shirt like this, I don't know why you have a shirt like this. You know, maybe if you're back in like the 70s or early 80s, you'd probably have a few shirts like this. But basically, this will clip on. The magnet goes underneath the shirt. The little mic goes on top of the shirt, just like that, and it clips onto it. So there's really no need to use the little clippy thingy unless you want to. You know, it's options. It's always good to have options. So, and this goes back into the charging port just like that. Somehow, like I say, I have no idea how to use this, what to do with it. I don't know, but I guess over the next few days or so, I'm going to figure this out. Probably won't have time today, but or tonight, because it is kind of late. It's actually time. It was 8:44. Maybe I messed with it a little bit. Probably had to register it, get it fully charged. I don't like doing things unless something's fully charged. So might even need a firmware update. Who knows? But oh, what is this right here? Oh, forgot something else here. Look at that. I'm about to stop the video and I'm not even finished yet. Okay, comes with some USB-C cable. Got a bunch of those. And it comes with a little I guess it's supposed to be like that. Looks like it. I don't know. Like I say, I don't know. Guess this will go in one of these things. Ooh, look at that. Hey, I'm not as dumb as I look, or sound, or whatever. I don't know. To wire it, I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Other than that, guess I'll just let this sit here. I'm gonna charge it up and figure it out. Got the box here. Need my glasses again. Let's see what it says. Should have read this first. So, it comes with a lightweight and intuitive compact storage case, 4 TX plus 8 RX compatibility and 4-channel output, adaptive gain control for balanced volume, 3 voice tone presets, 2-level noise cancellation, dual file 32-bit float internal recording, integrated time code for seamless editing, dual band anti-interference lossless audio transmission, extended operating time, and fast charging. That's probably about the only thing that I understand about this, the extended operating time and fast charging. Other than that, I don't understand crap about any of this other stuff, but I'm going to learn. Receiver, 2 transmitters, charging case, carrying pouch, 2 magnets, mobile phone adapter, windscreen. This is little windscreen filters, locking audio adapter cable, USB-C cable, magnetic clip, 2 of them. So, other than that, something else to figure out. So I have this to figure out and this to figure out. And it's actually towards the end of the riding season, so you know, it's the first week of September right now. So here in Maryland, that's going to give us approximately, I don't know, another month, 6 weeks at the most of riding season. It's going to be chilly towards the end of the riding season. So I'm saying yeah, 6 weeks at the most or so before most people stop riding, put their bikes up, and all the events are over with. The events will probably be over with after this month anyway. Maybe some in October, who knows? But it's gonna get cold outside soon, and I'm gonna have plenty of time to figure this stuff out. Because not only am I going to use it on my bike, I'm going to use this and these devices throughout the winter to take them around to other places, do some vlogging. I got a trip coming up in Jamaica for my sister's 50th birthday in March. So I'll be taking it there. And pretty much by that time, I should have this all figured out by then. You know, just right in time before riding season next year in April or so. We around April around here. April. That's when it's pretty much warm enough to start riding. It's still chilly as heck around here, but you know, we pretty much will wear our gear, and I probably will buy some more winter gear or whatever. Not really winter gear, but cool weather riding gear. So, but other than that, it's been, 15, 16 minutes so far. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.